Being in the spotlight every day, that's not for me. But there is one other kind of spotlight I absolutely love. These Bi-LED lights shine much brighter than ordinary ones, without blinding others on the road. They can even automatically turn the high beam on and off, keeping me and everyone else safe. And now, I choose to be in his spotlight.
Bi-LED headlights in the all-new Fabia.
Thanks to Bi-LED headlights with light assist, your night rides are much safer now. Turn the light switch to auto to activate the daytime running LED lights. The headlights will come on automatically in low light conditions. By turning to the parking lights, only daytime LED lights turn on, no matter what the light conditions. Switching to the headlights icon turns on the headlights permanently. To activate automatic lighting using the infotainment screen, go to Vehicle Settings and then select Light. You can turn light assist on and off or choose from other features that Bi-LED headlights offer. Tap Menu to exit. Bi-LED headlights in the all-new Fabia.